Hi guys, we are getting ready to check Wordly Wise, lesson 16, but I do have an announcement first. On the videos that you're going to watch next week about adjectives, there is a mistake at the end of lesson or video 2 and at the beginning of video 3. So listen closely to this announcement. I say something about that your book has the adjectives already marked for you. But that's not true. They're marked in my book, so I forget that sometimes my book is different than yours. They want you to circle them, and I thought they already had them highlighted for you so that you just had to circle the highlighted words. That's not true. They are not marked for you. You will need to circle all the adjectives that you find and then draw the arrows. Now, when you watch your videos next week, that's going to make a whole lot more sense. But it's for the homework that you'll be doing on Wednesday. But it's at the end of the video on Tuesday. Or no, I guess it's the homework you do on Tuesday and we check it on Wednesday. Okay, so it's at the end of Tuesday's video and the beginning of Wednesday's. I say that same thing and then realize later, but I didn't want to go back and remake all the videos. So just know you will have to find adjectives next week, but don't worry about that today. That's next week's problem, okay? All right. So we're going to check Wordly Wise 16, and then you're going to get 2 weeks off of Wordly Wise because we are going to be working a lot on adjectives. So I'm going to give you a break on Wordly Wise. But let's check lesson 16, page 174. Okay, you guys know how to do this. Mark them right or wrong. Well, you can just mark them wrong. And at the end, add up how many you got wrong from A, B, and C. And then your parents can email that to me. And tell me that you did part E. And when we Zoom, sometimes I'll have you maybe read some of your part E's to me. Okay, so part A, number 1, you should have B and D. To assume something is to take it for granted. Okay, number 2 should be B and D again. A jubilee is a celebration to mark an anniversary. Number 3, A and D. To riot is to take part in public disorder. So something you guys hopefully never do. Number 4, D and C. To intercept something is to seize it while it's on its way. And you guys that play football know exactly what an interception is. So to intercept something is to seize it while it's on its way. D and C. Number 5, B and C. To pardon someone is to forgive that person. That's something we need to work on. Number 6, B and D. To be someone's kin is to be related to that person. Number 7, D and B. To abdicate is to give up a high office. Number 8, B and C. A provocative speechwriter is one who arouses interest or anger. Sometimes we see that in the media. They just try to get people upset about stuff. Number 9, D and A. To hoist something is to lift it by using ropes. Number 10, A and C. To assume a position is to take it over. So when someone assumes the position of mayor, they're taking over that position. Okay, count up the number wrong. And then turn to page 176. All right, let's look at part B. The hospital usually calls your next of kin if you're in an accident. Number 2, are you trying to provoke a quarrel between your brothers? Number 3, Cleopatra reigned in Egypt from 51 BCE to 30 BCE. Number 4, singing this solo was my big chance to have a part in the musical, but I'm afraid I bungled it. Number 5, the painting's riot of colors dazzles the eye. So that's another way the word riot can be used. Number 7, September has been proclaimed National Seafood Month. Number 8, after the fall of the Berlin Wall, many feared that Germany might dominate the other countries of Europe. Number 9, sometimes excuse me, no, I don't have corona, just have something stuck in my throat from earlier when I was eating peanuts. Number 9, sometimes Hope will assume an Irish accent because she likes the way it sounds. Number 10, Labradors and Collies are both good with children, but I prefer the former. Okay, count up how many you got wrong, and then we'll go on to part C. All right, and you know part C, there's always some of you that think other things might fit, but we're going to go with the answers the book gives us today, okay? All right, number 1, which of the following could be abdicated? A high office, D, a throne. Number 2, which of the following would be your kin? D, your uncle's wife. Number 3, which of the following might be intercepted? A message, and C, a ball. Number 4, which of the following might be proclaimed? A result, C, a pardon, and D, a pledge. Number 5, which of the following might be pardoned? A mistake, B, an insult, and D, a rebel. Number 6, which of the following might dominate the skyline? A tower, B, a lighthouse, and C, a skyscraper. Number 7, after what period of time might a jubilee be celebrated? B, 50 years, or C, 60 years. Number 8, which of the following can one assume? A leadership position, B, warm weather in the tropics, C, a look of surprise, and D, the presidency. Okay, I'm looking over part B. The answer key said B was right. That one seems kind of funny to me. So if you didn't have it, don't mark it wrong. Okay, so that's everything for Wordly Wise for this week. Again, have your parents email me how many you missed. And I will see you on Monday with a new video about adjectives. And we'll talk about adjectives all next week. All right, have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.